Young and hard and mighty. I'm carefree. I enjoy doing nothing but play. Play and play. I still want to go to school. But nobody cares. Instead, you will see roaming around, standing at the nearby tent, or hanging around in the Sar store, standing beside the blue glass stand. One day, I asked my mother to teach me how to behave, to live, and appreciate all the beautiful things of life. Would you like to know what she told me? She said, "You can see, I have to hurry up for my drop." So I turned to my father to console me. But what a wonderful word did he tell me? "Child, I have to finish my overtime work. Here's 500 pesos. Go and ask your teacher about that." Sadly, I attend my class, but I heard nothing but the voice of my teacher, the glowing voice of my teacher, lecturing me with her words. "Hey, you lazy girl, why waste your time studying those things when up to now you can't even multiply 7 by 9? Go home and don't bother me. I am lost, confused. I don't know what to do with myself. For my parents to guide me, my teacher to give me inspiration, my friends when I play. I'm lazy and irresponsible. When I try to study, I get punished. For not being able to answer. For now, I'm confused. Somebody, please help me. You tell me. You said that the world is beautiful. Why is it treating me this way? Help me, please. Help me, please. I am lost. The lost.